The role of technology in the classroom. In the world we live in today, technology is key. Everything we use involves some type of technology. Technology has become a part of educational process. I believe technology will help the students get a better understanding of the material that it was being taught in the classroom, which guides them when they're completing their work at home. At the same time, not only does it help the teacher and the child, it helps the parents by allowing them to see what their child is learning. Our students are constantly submerged in technology, yet that does not mean that they know how to use it for learning. We also cannot assume that they know how to use it responsibly either. Just as we teach our children how to handle bullies on the playground, we must take the time to explicitly teach about cyberbullying, copyright, plagiarism, digital footprint, and proper conduct online. By taking these small steps, teachers can begin to reap the benefits that technology can bring to their teaching and the students' learning. Teachers are addressing technology standards and skills following the International Society of Technology and Education Standards, ISTE, by having links and websites available for students for them to learn and practice each lesson discussed. By doing this, it promotes creative thinking and sets their educational goals. It also helps students learn in various ways. Many teachers find it a priority to include technology in their lesson plan, and this will result in seeing students become more engaged. In my classroom, I will have a combination of both teacher, lectures, and technology use. I will be using an interactive whiteboard for topic discussions and help with problem solving. Interactive whiteboard is a large display that connects to the computer and projector. The projector projects the computer's desktop onto the board's surface, where users control the computer with a pen, finger, or other device. Items can be dragged, clicked, and copied, and the lecturer can handwrite notes, which can be transformed into text and saved. The board is typically mounted on a wall or floor stand. Teaching with an interactive whiteboard allows teachers to accommodate all different learning styles. For example, the tactical learner gets to touch and move things around the board, like highlighting, for example. Visual learners can physically get clearer view of what's happening on the board. Lastly, audio learners can participate in classroom discussions. I will also be using an e-reader, tablet, and iPads, which will help students connect to the websites such as Dreambox Learning, which is an interactive math program for young students. They could identify numbers, counting forward, backwards, and helping adding and subtraction. This will be helpful for students to get in contact with technology and the technology world and learn the lesson while having fun. The iPad in the classroom brings education to life. Students have endless access to valuable information such as dictionaries, thesaurus, interactive technology, making learning more memorable. Tools such as audio and video recorders can change the way that learning takes place and homework is completed. This is beneficial for all, since textbooks will no longer be needed. Students do not need to carry them back and forth. We as educators should exhaust all possibilities of technology. I believe it's important for students to have hands-on experience to motivate them. Technology plays a big role in today's society, enhancing a lot of things, so it will do the same in the classroom.